Breaking news. So you cannot generate an avatar that can talk, that can walk, that can do any other things for you. And guess what? It is completely free. Today I will be showing you how you can make use of this avatar to generate video like this and even to make presentation. So let's dive in and see. Okay, so you go to your ChatGPT and you tell ChatGPT to generate a studio where you have a newscaster or a reporter. You can say you should make it an expensive one or a very lucrative studio. So here is the one I've generated, and I have to regenerate again till I am satisfied. So you can ask ChatGPT to keep regenerating till you get the one that you feel like is okay. So here are the different one I regenerated. So I picked one, then I went straight to my AI. The AI I'll be using is Hedra AI. So Hedra AI is a free AI. At least it can record video up to 20 seconds and has a lot of unique tools. So you register with your email or you can make use of your Google account. So this is how the interface look like. You can see. Okay, so once you click on the Hedra AI, you opened. So you sign up with your Google account. If you don't want to make use of the Google account, you can put in your email and you log in. Accept all the terms and conditions. You can say I'm signing in now with my mail. Alright. And you accept the terms and conditions. Okay. At least that you can make use of this. So please, if you're new on this channel, today we'll be talking about this Hedra AI. It's a very wonderful AI to use. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Alright, so after we've done that, this is how the face will now look like. So here we are. So this is the size. If you want to make use of YouTube, you make it 16:9. Then you can upload your picture. You accept the concept, then you pick a picture. You now come back, you upload. You have to accept the concept that you can upload picture. You can take camera as well. You can take a picture of a live object and make use of it. Okay, so I pick any one of my choice that I'm going to use. So here are the photos in my galleries. So I'm picking any image now. So I will upload. Once I click one, it's automatically upload. You can see. So you can select multiple, but let's just select one because we don't want the character to be changing. We're just making use of one character. Then you write your prompt. This prompt is very important, where you describe what you want the character to do. So here's my prompt. As the man is talking, you can see now. Let's as the man is talking, okay. Let's the okay. Let the big television. Start showing AI videos. Start showing robots. Yeah, robot videos. Okay, robot videos. Okay. On the screen. Okay. Let the man be talking to the camera. Okay. And at the same time be looking to the television as if he is teaching or lecturing. Okay, or making or lecturing. I think it's better. I'm just for lecturing. Or lecturing. Lecturing is better. Alright, so here's the prompt now. This is what I want the man to be doing when the presentation is going on and the avatar is talking. Okay, let me correct this. The same time pointing to the television. Okay. Towards the television. So you can correct your prompt if you feel like it's not proper. So the next one is we also add our scripts, auto scripts, audio scripts. So audio you might have recorded it, you just upload the recording, or you make your own record. So because of time, I've already recorded my own, and you can even replace it if you're not satisfied. You can filter it. If the background is noisy, you can change the voice. Then from there, you see the arrow down, you load it. You can see the arrow here. So our video is getting prepared now. You can see preparing to generate your video. Alright, so take note of this. This kind of video or this kind of AI, it's sometimes it takes a long time. So immediately you just start uploading, just wait small. Then after a while, it will take you to queue. Then you can exit or you wait. You minimize your video. Then later you can come back, because if you want it to generate quick, they will request that you pay. Alright, you can see now. They will ask you to skip to upgrade. If you are skipping, that means you want to pay. But if you don't want to pay, you have to wait to generate. It can take up to 10 minutes or so. So if you have that thing, just minimize the video or the app. Then you can come back and check your video. By that time, it will have been ready. So, but if you feel like you don't have time, you want to do it in a hurry, then you upgrade. And upgrading means you are paying, but you shouldn't be in a hurry. So you just wait, you minimize it, and you wait for it to generate. Please, if you're still watching up to this end, please, you can drop a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Alright, so you wait for it to load. You can see now, see the queue is still reading 0%. Okay, so the video is done. So I just waited for some time. Now here's the video. I've generated one already. So I did this for the purpose of this video. Then you click on download. Now you see the download here. You click it. Once you click that, the video will download to your gallery or your video file. It come out without watermark. It is completely lovely. You will enjoy it. So let's see the outcome of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop your comment if you have any question. So I've downloaded it already. I don't have to re-download it again. So
Breaking
here's the
news.
final video.
So you cannot generate an avatar that can talk, that can walk, that can do any other things for you. And guess what? It is completely free. Today I'll be showing you how you can make use of this avatar to generate video like this and even to make presentation. So let's dive in and see.